The Nokia 235 4G 2027 is a refreshing throwback that proves simplicity never goes out of style. In a world packed with flashy flagship smartphones, this device by Nokia delivers something truly unique. A perfect balance between nostalgia and modern essentials. From the moment you hold the Nokia 235 4G, you'll notice its classic design. The solid polycarbonate body feels durable and comfortable in hand, making it ideal for everyday use. The physical keypad is responsive and satisfying to press, something touchscreen phones simply can't replicate. For users who miss the golden era of button phones, this device is a dream come true. The display, though compact, is bright and clear enough for basic tasks. Whether you're checking messages, browsing contacts, or listening to FM radio, everything feels smooth and straightforward. And thanks to 4G connectivity, this isn't just a basic phone. Anymore, you can enjoy faster calls with Volt, support and even access lightweight apps when needed. One of the standout features of the Nokia 235 4G is its incredible battery life. Unlike modern smartphones that need charging every day, this phone can easily last several days on a single charge. It's perfect for travelers, workers, or anyone who wants a reliable backup device without worrying about battery anxiety. The phone also includes essential entertainment features like a built-in MP3 player, wireless FM radio, and the classic Snake game, adding a fun nostalgic touch. There's even a rear camera for quick snaps, which, while not flagship level, gets the job done for basic photography. Performance-wise, the Nokia 235 4G is optimized for efficiency rather than power. It handles calls, texts, and simple applications effortlessly. The interface is clean, user-friendly, and perfect for all age groups, especially those who prefer a distraction-free mobile experience. Another big advantage is durability. This phone is built to last, with a sturdy frame that can handle drops and rough usage far better than most modern smartphones. It's a reliable companion, whether you're working outdoors or just want a tough secondary device. In 2027, where smartphones are becoming increasingly complex and expensive, the Nokia 235 4G stands out by doing the basics exceptionally well. It's not trying to compete with high-end devices. Instead, it focuses on what truly matters: communication, reliability, and long battery life. To sum it up, the Nokia 235 4G is perfect for those who want simplicity, durability, and reliability in one compact package. Whether you're buying it as a primary phone, a backup device,